But just how much firepower do these submarines really pack? Well, buckle up because we're about to find out. We'll start by breaking down the Trident, Bulava and JL-3 missile systems before diving into the global locations of nuclear-armed subs and their patrol zones. We'll also explore the concept of a second strike and why it is so crucial in the world of nuclear deterrence, so stay tuned. It's important to understand that these submarines aren't designed for massive firepower. In fact, they typically carry around 20 missiles, but those missiles pack quite the punch. The Trident missile system is a three-stage ballistic missile that can travel over 7,000 miles. It was first deployed in 1990 and remains the mainstay of the US nuclear arsenal. Russia's Bulava missile is a fourth-generation ballistic missile that can travel over 8,000 miles. It was developed in the late 1990s and is still in service today. The Bulava uses a combination of solid and liquid propellants and has a single nuclear warhead. China's JL-3 missile is a solid-fueled ballistic missile with a range of over 7,200 miles. It was first deployed in 2009 and is the main weapon of China's nuclear-powered ballistic missile submarines. Now let's talk about the number of nuclear-armed subs and their patrol zones. As of 2023, the United States has 14 ballistic missile submarines in service, all of which are based at Bangor, Washington. Russia has 9 ballistic missile submarines in service, 6 of which are of the Bore class, which are based at the northwestern part of Russia, and the other 3 of the Delta III and Delta IV classes, which are based at the Northern Fleet in the Arctic Ocean. China has 6 ballistic missile submarines in service, all of which are of the Jin class and are based at Qingdao, China. These submarines patrol in different parts of the world depending on their location. For example, US ballistic missile submarines typically patrol in the Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Oceans. Russian ballistic missile submarines patrol in the Arctic, Atlantic, and Pacific Oceans, as well as the Sea of Okhotsk. Chinese ballistic missile submarines primarily patrol in the South China Sea and the East China Sea. In terms of a single submarine destroying 20 cities in minutes, it's not really possible. The reason for this is that ballistic missile submarines are designed for a single purpose: nuclear deterrence. For example, if each missile destroyed 2 cities, then a submarine with 20 missiles could destroy 40 cities. However, this is just theoretical, as these missiles are designed to hit a single large target, not multiple small targets.